Hey everyone, welcome back to Health and Hustle. Today we have something super fun and a bit wacky for you. We're talking about weird ways to burn 200 calories. That's right, we're ditching the treadmill and gym routines for some out-of-the-box activities. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First up, did you know you can burn around 200 calories just by dancing around your house for 30 minutes? Crank up your favorite tunes and dance like nobody's watching. Not only is it a great workout, but it also boosts your mood. Don't worry about looking silly. It's all about having fun and getting those calories burning. Next on our list is playing with your furry friend. Just 40 minutes of fetch or running around with your pet can help you burn 200 calories. Plus, it's a great bonding time with your pet. Who knew burning calories could be so cute and cuddly? Here's a productive way to burn calories. Cleaning your house. Vacuuming, mopping, and scrubbing can burn up to 200 calories in about an hour. So, put on some music and make your home sparkle while you sweat it out. You'll feel accomplished and get a mini workout at the same time. This one might surprise you. Laughing. If you laugh for about 100 minutes, you can burn 200 calories. So binge watch your favorite comedy shows or have a laugh with friends. Laughter truly is the best medicine. It's an easy and enjoyable way to get those calories burning. Gamers, rejoice! You can burn 200 calories by playing video games for about 90 minutes. Active video games, like those with motion sensors, are even better. Who says gaming can't be part of a healthy lifestyle? Get moving and get those calories burning while having a blast. Last but not least, gardening. Spend about 45 minutes digging, planting, and weeding, and you'll burn around 200 calories. Plus, you get to enjoy the fresh air and create a beautiful outdoor space. It's a win-win for your body and your garden. There you have it. 6 weird and wonderful ways to burn 200 calories without hitting the gym. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more fun and healthy tips from Health and Hustle. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay healthy and keep hustling.